Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to continue on with our calendar series. So today we're going to look at first weekday function. So let's just go ahead and bring this in, calendar as cal. So alright, what this does is it basically checks what day of the week is calendar currently set upon. So alright, that's why it is so important for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because that's what we do here. We build one video upon a time. So PR calendar, we're just going to use this month, and no, it's PR month, sorry, PR month. There we go, 2020 and 2. So here we go. So calendar automatically defaults to Monday, but we also know how to set. So we got calendar dot set first weekday, and we change it to 6, and we call this back, and lo and behold. So now, right now, all we know is how to set it, and we can check it here. But guess what? Cal dot first weekday. Boom. So here we are. So here's a real simple way to see this without having to run the whole calendar. You can just do a quick test and then, or just automatically default it. So I wanted to make sure that we had this in our toolbox and make sure that we knew how to use it, because these are very, very handy tools, because especially if you're working with any payroll or any scheduling application, this is vital. Because I know some companies have a Friday through Thursday week. I think the first one I saw, I remember the first job I had, I think it was like a Wednesday through Tuesday, so then we could get paid on Fridays. So it was really weird. So you could set up and have your whole calendar print out the way that you need it. This is just some of the awesome tools. So there we go, guys. Real quick video today. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below, and I'll get to them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.